Hey everyone! Welcome back to Error Genie. Are you seeing the DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error while trying to play Marvel Rivals? No worries. I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step solutions to fix this issue on PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. Let's dive right in. For PC users, Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC supports DirectX 12. Operating system, Windows 10 or later. Graphics. Card must support DirectX 12. To check your DirectX version, press Win plus R, type dxdiag, and hit Enter. Under the Display tab, confirm if DirectX 12 is supported. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. NVIDIA users, use GeForce Experience to download and install the latest drivers. AMD users, update your drivers via the Adrenalin Software. Restart your PC after updating and try launching the game. Step 3. Verify game files. Corrupted game files might trigger the error. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, then relaunch the game. Step 4. Set launch options. Adjust the game's DirectX settings manually. In Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Under the General tab, locate launch options. Enter the following commands one at a time. -dx12 for DirectX 12. If that doesn't work, try -dx11 for DirectX 11 compatibility mode. Close the window and launch the game to see if the error is resolved. Step 5. Update DirectX. Visit Microsoft's official website and download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer. Install the latest version and restart your PC. For PlayStation 5 users, Step 1. Check network settings. Go to Settings, then Network. Test your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Step 2. Clear system cache. Turn off your PS5 completely. Unplug the power cord for a few minutes. Plug it back in, turn it on, and try launching Marvel Rivals. Step 3. Reinstall the game. Go to Settings, then Storage, find Marvel Rivals, and uninstall it. Re-download and install the game from the PlayStation Store. For Xbox users, Step 1. Check network settings. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Network Settings. Test your connection and ensure it's working. Step 2. Clear system cache power off your Xbox and unplug it from the wall. Wait a few minutes, plug it back in, and restart. Step 3. Reinstall the game. Go to My Games and Apps, then see all then installed games. Select Marvel Rivals, press the menu button, and choose Uninstall. Reinstall it from the Xbox Store and launch the game. That's it, everyone. These steps should help you fix the DirectX 12 error in Marvel Rivals, whether you're on PC, PS5, or Xbox. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching Error Genie, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!